In this video, we will dive into the subtle signs that indicate the gambling element in your trading without you even knowing. Stay tuned till the end, because sign number 3 is the most important and also most common. Sign number 1. Social proofing. Do you actively seek out tips? Or look for confirmation of your trading ideas on social media? Or perhaps, you eagerly jump on every trading tip that comes your way, whether from a friend, an influencer, or anyone else. These subtle signs might seem harmless on the surface, but they hint at a deeper issue: gambling. This shows that you depend on others to make money for you in the market. This will not only drain your financial capital, but also, you won't learn anything. It's really dangerous to depend on someone else for your income. You have to embrace the fact that trading is a journey and becoming independent is the only way to success. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, where you can simply copy someone's trades and become a millionaire. Have you ever heard of someone who got rich that way? Trading is simple, it's all about consistent execution and improvement. All successful traders were once beginners. They went through their trading journey, acquired necessary knowledge and experience, and now they print money whenever they want. A man must believe in himself and his judgment if he expects to make a living at this game. This is why I don't believe in tips. Jesse Livermore. Sign number 2. Trading for excitement. Next big sign that you're gambling, not trading, is when you get excited to get into a trade after seeing a big jump or fall in the market. The fear of missing out becomes your driving force, making you enter trades impulsively, without careful consideration. Unchecked emotions are your greatest enemy in trading. These emotions, they will lead you to take irrational decisions in your trading, which will make you lose confidence in yourself when losses happen, and eventually you'll start doubting yourself. This self-doubt will make you believe that you're not made for trading. To combat these emotional pitfalls, successful traders prioritize emotional discipline. They recognize that emotions are a natural part of trading but strive to control and manage them. This involves sticking to a well-defined trading plan, setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and adhering to risk management principles. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. Victor Sparandeo. Sign number 3. Trading to win, and not a system. Trading is very counterintuitive. While making money is what we want to achieve, but trading to win can actually drive us further away from making money. When you trade to win, you abhor loss. Because you want to win, you're here to make money, not lose it. This makes you stay in a losing trade in hopes of turnaround, or getting into trades impulsively without proper system to recover your losses. Often to recover or avoid losing, they end up taking much bigger loss, which is multiple times their original loss. Good traders take many losses, they admit they're wrong, keep the damage small and move on. They never fight the market, they know that ultimately market is the boss. They never argue with their trading system. They just execute their system consistently. If something doesn't work out in their system, they change it. But only after a certain number of trades. They adopt a series of trades approach instead of individual trade approach to judge their trading results. Most importantly, they understand that the rule number 1 of trading is to avoid big losses. Small losses are completely fine, but big losses are not. So I have to do everything to not exceed my defined risk limits. The smartest move is to lose as little capital in the learning process as possible, and then scale as you learn. To learn how to learn trading in the fastest time possible, watch this video. It's a great video and I wish someone told me this in the earlier days of my trading. I would have not lost thousands of dollars of my hard-earned initial capital for nothing. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.